trading because you become exit liquidity, just like SpaceX. SpaceX, everyone. I mean, I had literally people, friends of friends of friends, asking, should I sell everything and just buy SpaceX when it becomes public?
Oh, it's very risky.
No, don't do it. There's too much hype. And when we see SpaceX cratering to the downside, I mean, this is remarkable, folks, even for SpaceX. But look at this chart. I mean, down to $123 and change, even lower than the insiders. The positive is if you buy it today, you actually get it at a cheaper price than the insiders. Do I think it's still going to go lower? Listen, it's going to bounce at some point, but yes, do I think it's going to go lower? I do. I think it's headed towards $100 with many big bounces along the way, but $100 is where I'd actually step up myself and play it. All right. So let's continue on. MRVL, look at this one. This is another chip stock, came right into massive support and did get bounced today.
The same about Micron.
On the day above 188.
If you have, you can keep it.
Really intrigued by. Look at
can it go down? Yes.
Getty down 50%
see
into a gap fill and near double bottom, straight line. We should see a bounce on this next week as well. One of my favorites, Ion Shoe as well. Hits this pivot line
Let's see Marvel.
Right there. Sure, could it go down here? Yeah, it could. And I'm in this one, just for the record, I'm in this one today as of yesterday.
Because it was parabolic
right down in this
up.
range. And the idea is, yeah, sure, it could go down a little bit lower, but that's why I don't buy full
Let's see
positions.
Bitcoin.
I start small. If it flushes down to this gap fill, I add and dollar cost average until I get that bounce. All right, so that's really a rundown of today's
That's why crypto is very risky.
Apple remains strong on the day, but is into massive resistance.
In 5 years,
one of my favorite
100%.
shorts right now.
People lost
Believe it or not, as weird as it sounds, if you've been following me, you know I've been very bearish on the
That's why, if you don't know, just invest in index.
And more bearish on Apple and short Apple. The idea being, again, is that Apple is the recipient of money flow from the semiconductor exodus, but eventually that's going to revert, and Apple is into massive resistance. Let me show you guys this chart on Apple here, because it is an epic chart here of resistance. Apple today eking out a small gain, but look at this trend line. Great trend line. And look at it. I mean, Apple has gained over $1 trillion in market cap in just the last, basically, 3 weeks here. I mean, that is epic. And it's basically knocking on the $5 trillion valuation, while NVIDIA is trying to hold on to the $5 trillion valuation. This is a key level next week on NVIDIA. If NVIDIA's level here at around 193, 192, watch out. This could easily trade back to 165 on NVDA. All right. Gold
really? Let's see.
Out a small gain. So
NVIDIA can go down. Let's see. Subscribe, give like to this video.
Trend line as best it can.
Take a look. Support 170.
We'll watch to see what happens next week. And silver,
188.
after flushing and kissing my 54 support level right here, it got a little bit
Subscribe,
of
give like.
out a tiny gain on the day. Oil continued higher. Oil higher into the weekend makes sense. Why does oil higher into the weekend make sense? Well, because there's always the unknown of 2 days the stock market's closed. Are things going to escalate even further with Iran, so the price of oil goes up? If nothing does escalate, I would expect a pullback.
Yeah, subscribe, give like to this video. Let's see what's happening.
If it does escalate,
can it go down? Yes.
Level at $87
Do you keep it?
On crude oil. And then we have natural gas.
Micron is risky
before we get to Bitcoin
as well.
Here. And again, nat gas eked out a little bit of a gain.
Micron, let's see. That's why
look at this trend line right
here could be a good time to buy 600.
Look at how many days
can it go down? Yes, sure.
It's got to start pushing back up. It was a good day today to push back up after
Micron easily can go down.
But let's see if next week it can start pushing back up towards that 3 to 310 level. Lastly, Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin fell below key support early, but has come back and is now slightly green on the day, trading right around
the same.
64,000. I will say this: you compare the S&P, Bitcoin, NASDAQ, gold, and silver. Which one of those is the best performer over the last 2 weeks? The answer is Bitcoin. Now, again, I don't know if we should make more out of that than just, okay, it's only a few weeks, but it is intriguing as the semiconductors have seen money flowing out, that Bitcoin could be the recipient of a little of that money. I'll watch it next week as well. Now, lastly, before I do get going, guys, I do want to mention that our sponsor here is the Rumble Wallet.
Let's see what's happening. Subscribe, give like to this video. Yes, let's discuss what's happening. Can it go down? Yes, it can for sure. What stocks did you invest and how much money did you make? Put in comments. Or did you take profit? A lot of people just took profit and ran. If you're a long-term investor, yes, better to keep. And again, SPX. If you invest long-term, better to wait. And right now, again, SpaceX, we discussed, no, it's better to wait. Why now? Chat is open. Yes, put all questions in chat. Yes, chat is open. And SpaceX is very risky. Do you remember? It doesn't make any profit yet. That's why just pure speculation. That's why just put in comment, did you take profit? Taking profit is for SpaceX and run. Because some people who pre-invested, yes, hello, everyone, subscribe, give like to this video. If you invested in SpaceX, do you keep it or did you sell? Put it in chat. Because take a look, people invested here to, can you imagine, 229, and when they were lost money, right now literally 50% loss. It's better to take profit because you can buy it later when it will be $100. The same about Micron. Yes, people took profit, and then you can buy back at, for example, 500, 800. Can it go down? Yes. Yes, hello, Kelsey. What stocks did you buy? How much did you invest? Put in comments. Put in chat. Okay? And don't forget subscribe, give like to this video, going live every day. And a lot of money can come right now to Magnificent 7. Let's see this ETF. Magnificent 7. Let's see. Can money go there? Yes. Yes, put in chat what stocks. Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Google, Meta, all these companies here. That's why you can buy this ETF. It's perfect, and you can see how it grows, and you can make money. Another ETF, DRAM, but right now it's down. And let's analyze what's happening with this ETF. It looks down. Take a look. It was released, I think, in April. Yes, in April this year. Went up very quickly, and right now down. What do you think? It's a small correction or it's a crash? I think it's a correction because economy is not crashing. That's why probably just small correction. This is support 49. This price was in May 18th. Can it go up more? Yes. Yes, put a chat. What stocks did you invest? How much money did you make? This one could be very good. Is it risky? Yes, nobody knows. But let's see index SPX. What's happening to this index? Do you remember it went down, then it's sideways? Of course, now it looks bearish. Can it go down? Yes. But why? Risky, yes. Let's see Nasdaq. Yes, what company did you buy? How much money did you make? Yes, put in comments. Put everything in comments. Can Nasdaq go down? Right now it's support line. Take a look here. This is support. But can it go down? For sure, yes. But better to invest in index fund. For example, VO, Vanguard, S&P 500. Because let's discuss, even 2000. In 2000 and went up later. You see? Here crash and then up. Small correction and then up again. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video. See you next time.